Hi, welcome to another DIY video. This is probably going to be the last of my upcycling series. These are only 2 bits of items that I've got left to sell from my parents' house that we cleared out. So what I'm going to do is to test them to make sure they work. This one's quite nice. I might just clean it up and sell it as it is. This one I'm going to do up. I'm going to stain it a black colour and see what it comes up like. You should give it a good clean up, test it and see if it works. I've got a nice lampshade that I could use and then we'll sell it, see what we get for it. This one hasn't really got a very long lead. Yes, it works. The flex is pretty long on this one. Okay, let's see if it works. No. Okay, let's sort that out, see if we can get it working. Okay, let's first of all just change the fuse. Let's see if that's the culprit. No. Okay, it's still not working. Let's take this to bits. Just push it up from the bottom, the lead, just so the top bit can come off. So I'll push that in, and then that causes the top bit just to come out more. So let's have a look to see if I can see what's going on here. See if anything's come unattached. Okay, I've just found this in my box of stuff next door. Let's see if that works. Only thing is it hasn't got a switch. Okay, I've sent off for a new light bulb holder. So let's fit this, let's see how this works. I've made sure this section here is the same diameter as that matches. So this will just screw straight into there. I need to make sure that it's earthed first. So I'll connect the earth wire just into that. Just goes on the inside there. And then it doesn't look like it matters which way around the live and the neutral go, because it will just be determined then by the switch what is on and off, depending on which way around you got the wires. So let's fit it and see how it goes. So obviously that goes on first. And then just check it screws in, yeah. Good, that works. The earth then connects to the earth in here. Okay, now this bit, and make sure they're set exactly the same diameter as that, and they should just slot in. Okay, then just make sure there's no wires showing. Earth's still connected, and then that should slot in. And that bit goes on. Right, that's done. And then that can be pulled back in here. Yeah, it does twist it around a little bit. So that when that goes in there, do up. Yes, it works. Great, so the only problem was it was just a damaged switch. So that's now sorted. Okay, that's good, that all works now. What I'm going to do is just give it a good old clean up and then I'm going to stain it. I might use some turpentine just to clean it up a bit, because the base is quite stained. Okay, now I'm going to put on the stain. It's It's just a water-based stain. It says just to put it on with a sponge. So I'll shake it first. I'm going to put gloves on and I'm going to put a sheet down just in case it goes on the floor, because I think it would do. Okay, that's done now, it's just drying. It doesn't look a great deal different because it already had some sort of finishing oil on it. I tried to use a turpentine to take that off, but it just looks a little bit darker. What it has done is taken the marks off the base, so the base looks really good now. But let's see what it looks like once it's dried. Okay, I've cleaned this one up a bit as well now, it looks quite nice. And then it's nice with that bulb in it. What I don't like is the plug. It's got a horrible white plug on it. So what I'm going to do is put a black plug on it. The same as I've done for the other lamp to make it look much better. So let's change that over. That one looks better with a black plug on. Well, that's cleaned up well. All I need now is an armchair and a pipe. Now, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for some more videos.